Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video we are going to be doing yet another Sephora Favorites perfume sampler. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this new sampler, then just keep watching. So if you know me, then you know I love these Sephora fragrance sampler kits. I have actually already done 2 different kits on my channel. If you have not seen those, I will have them linked below so you can check those out. Basically, these are great ways to sample fragrances before you buy the full size. This particular one is for a travel size fragrance. They do have some for full size bottles, but I haven't came across a full size set in a long time that I actually had been thinking about purchasing any of their bottles. Like a lot of the full size ones, I feel like they repeat a lot of the same bottles. This retails for $28 and it comes with 8 deluxe size samples. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And this is what the certificate looks like. It has all the perfumes, and then you get to check which one you want, and you can take it into Sephora and get it. Or on the back they have a barcode, which I'm going to cover up, and you can put the barcode in online and then get your sample. So that's usually what I do. I've been grabbing mine online as opposed to going in the store because I don't go to Sephora that often. We're gonna go ahead and start with one I already know I love. So if worst come to worst, this sample kit fails me, then I know I can for sure pick this up because I actually purchased the full size bottle recently and I have done a review on this, so I will have it linked below. But I love this scent. This is what it looks like. I do already have a travel size of this, but I am almost out of it. So like I said, worst come to worst, we know she's a winner. I'm gonna go ahead and spray her. But this is basically a very sweet, fruity, playful type scent. Perfect for summer. It has some pear in here, it has fig in here, bergamot, it has jasmine, it has coconut. And this is a coconut done well because I don't like coconut, but it does have coconut in here, like you get a little bit of here, but it's just so pretty. So this is definitely a yes for me out of this. All right, this next one is going to be by Nest, and this is Sun Kiss Hibiscus, and it looks like this. And I think I have tried this a long time ago, but not in a very long time. So let's go ahead and spray her. Oh, this is pretty. This has, I think this has some coconut in it. I get that. This has frangipani, orange blossom, golden amber, hibiscus, but it smells like it has some sort of coconut in here. This kind of reminds me of summer. It kind of puts me in the mind of something a little bit tropically. It definitely has to have some sort of coconut in here because I can get that like creamy coconutty scent in here, a little lactonic, some floralness in here. It smells very pretty. This is nice. This is also really nice and pretty. So far 2 for 2. This is a good set. This next one is by Rosie Jane, and I had a Rosie Jane fragrance in one of my last ones, and there's another Rosie Jane I want to try. This one has pear, jasmine, and fresh cut grass. So this one I don't know if I'm going to be able to put on a paper because it's one of those like little stick ones. We're gonna go ahead and smell it. Oh, this is very grassy. It's not bad because you get a lot of that green note in here, like grassy green, but it's something fruity in here too. It smells very fresh and fruity. That's not bad. It's very different though. It's very different, especially because the green note in here is very heavy and prominent, but it's not bad at all. The next one, this is also another brand that I have seen recently, and this is by Fleur, and this is Flora. I guess that's how it's pronounced. I'm not sure. It says a white floral fragrance for those who don't think they like them. All right, so let's go ahead. This has some notes in here. I love that they put the little notes on here now. But this has bergamot, some lemon. It says wet grass. It has some jasmine, some tuberose, some vanilla, sandalwood, ambroxan, and cedar. So this should be interesting. This kind of reminds me almost of the Tom Ford Aqua Portofino or Aqua something. It's the one I recently put in my spring fragrance. If you haven't seen that, I'll have it linked below, but it's definitely putting me in the mind of that. It's very light, kind of fresh, like a light florally scent, but clean, a little bit citrusy. This is nice. This is different. I don't know that I need that many type of scents that are quite like this, but it is not bad. Not bad. All right, this next one is one I actually have never tried, surprisingly, and this is by Replica, and this is Beach Walk. So I have had a ton of Beach Walk samples, but I've never actually tried them. It's just something about it that, I don't know, it never spoke to me, so I just never tried it. So we're gonna go ahead and try her. So yeah, crazy that I've never tried this. This smells a little citrusy, like it has some type of bright bergamot or lemon or something like that in here. Also smells a little bit like coconut. It's very sweet. Kind of reminds you of, I guess, what the beach life would be like if you were at the beach, walking on the beach. I guess this name is very fitting for this. It's not bad. This will probably be a great summer beach scent. I think a lot of people really do love this. I'm not 100% sold on it, but it's not bad. All right, this next one is also another one I have never used. This is Aqua Gioia, and it is by Giorgio Armani. I've never tried this one. This is, I think, the green looking one. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, it's very like clean green type scent, little like fresh floral or something. I definitely get some sort of bright citrusy opening, so it could be bergamot, it could be lemon, because both of those smell very similar to me. I get a really prominent like kind of green note in here. I don't know, I like this. Why does it smell like spicy or minty or, oh, I don't know, because I don't look up the notes while I'm doing this. I'll probably look them up and post the notes, you know, on the screen. This array of scents is really different. They're all very unique from one another. Some of them are perfect for summer, some have coconut, some are a little bit more aquatic smelling. This one kind of reminds me a little aquatic-y a little bit, but they're nice. I don't know, this might be a hard set to actually pick and choose from. We are down to the last two, so let's go ahead and do let's do Floral Street. This is the Floral Street and Van Gogh Museum. This is Sunflower Pop. So I think I've seen this in Sephora recently, but I don't think I got a chance to smell it. And it looks like that. So let's go ahead and spray her. Anyways, it's a spray. Ooh, so this one smells very fruity and citrusy, a little sparkling too, like it's some type of like sparkly note in here, like some sort of champagne or something. Obviously it smells very citrusy and fruity. I like this. This is different. This does put me in the mind of something, but I can't think of what it is. But this is nice. I actually want to spray this on my hand. It's so citrusy. And you know I love me a good citrus type scent. Perfect for spring and summer. This is nice. I don't know if I've ever heard anyone talk about this. Last one we have is Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. So I've gotten a sample of this one before, but again, I don't think I've ever used it or anything like that. I know I had a big sample and I have no idea if I ever used it. So we're gonna go ahead and spray her. Definitely a sweet, soft vanilla. A little powdery. This is nice. Y'all know I love me some vanilla. Why have I never smelled this though? It also smells a little beachy. What is that? I don't know what that note is that's making it smell like beachy, like salty a little bit. All right guys, so I have to say that this kit really blew me away. I think this is going to be the perfect introductory kits for spring and summer. There are so many amazing scents in here. They have very much some sweet scents in here, some floral, some beachy type scents, coconut. I just think this has a vast array of scents, and they did so good with this kit. So I am unsure which one I am picking as of yet. I do have like 4 different scents on me right now. I'm still testing and trying them out, but feel free to comment down below if you have any of these scents and how do you like them. By the time this video goes up, I will hopefully have my decision picked, and it will be in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.